Okay, guys, again, good evening. Welcome back to a small session from Vice Academy. This is a small update on how we should adapt and accept change and move on and achieve our goal in the upcoming NEET SS exam. So this might be a shocker for someone. This might be a happy news for someone. Someone is having mixed opinion. Someone is very much anguished. Someone is happy. Someone is okay, uncertain. So lot of things going through all your mind. So what happened today? First, let us know what happened today. We all know that 41 of our colleagues have filed a case against the new pattern which has been released by the NBE guys. So this has been going on for the last couple of weeks, and ultimately with lot of dilly dally today, the court Supreme Court has given their final verdict. So important takeaway points from that is, point number one, for this year we will be following the 60-40 pattern. That is, you will be concentrating on 60% of your super specialty topic, whatever it is. And voice come here. Is my voice okay, Kaushik?
Yeah, perfectly audible.
Okay. So this year we will be doing that 60-40 pattern. And point number one. Point number two, the honorable judges were very much inclined towards the benefit of the students. They were, to be frank, they were a bit harsh towards NBE for their sudden change of pattern. So they were in more favor of the students. Okay, this might be a positive thing for some students and a negative thing for other students, but let us discuss what the Supreme Court has given. Official order has not been generated yet, but the proceedings which we have followed through the course of the day, the Honorable Judge Chandrachud sir, he was totally against the attitude of NBE and the representative lawyer. So we will be following the 60-40 pattern for this year. That is 2021 NEET SS. Point number two, so next year 2022 pattern, no one knows, but according to the Associate Solicitor General, he says they will be implementing the new pattern, that is 150 MCQ pattern. So for this year we'll be having 60-40 pattern. Next year we'll be having 150 MCQ pattern. Okay. Coming to the date of examination. The Solicitor General has requested the Supreme Court to provide them at least with 2 months time. So let us say we are now in October. 2 months from here, either it will be December 2021 or Jan 2022. For now, let us assume that they have already been mentally prepared with their what they have told to the Supreme Court is they are all set to conduct the exam on the given date, that is 10th of January. So what we can assume is our exam most probably should be in the month of January. Just a second. Yeah. And there was a heated discussion between both the advocates, and the Supreme Court Justice Sri Chandrachud sir and the other Chief Justice, they were inclined and they were in the conclusion that all this thing is happening because of the number of vacant seats left over in the private medical colleges. So NB wale, you guys are having some malintention. That is why you are forcing all these changes, which we are not going to accept. That is what they have given in their judgment. So finally, the take home point is for this year, we are having 60-40 pattern, and the exam will be mostly scheduled in coming 2 months. So where we are, as I said, we all are either lost or confused or disoriented what to do next. So these type of things do happen in our life. This is just, as I keep on mentioning, career is just only a part of your life. Don't worry about it. Accept things as they come, accept, adapt, and you can easily achieve. So you have to restart like a mobile. Okay, there are 3 options here, 4 options you can see, like when you're operating on a laptop or on a mobile. Option 1 is you can shut it down, put it into sleep, or you can force quit. Obviously, these all are not very good options. Obviously, what you have to do now is focus, refocus, and restart your preparation. So for restarting your preparation, what you need to do? Obviously, restarting a mobile itself, it requires a couple of steps. If you are using a iPhone, see here you can see there are 3 steps in restarting iPhone. It is not as easy as restarting an Android phone. Restarting an iPhone is a bit difficult, I should say, because I have used Android, I have used iPhone, I have been using iPhone. Restarting iPhone, that to the newer versions, it is far more difficult. See here, you see step 1, step 2, step 3. Likewise, you also should methodically and in a stepwise manner plan your NEET SS preparation from now on. So step 1, what is step 1? You have to accept the change. You have to accept the fact that, okay, now you are going back to the new pattern, that is 60-40 pattern. So concentrate on, for the last 1 month, you have been concentrating on the 40% of your total MCQ weightage. So now what you need to do is you should concentrate both on 60 as well as 40. Kaushik, can you help me with letting know how to off these annotations, disable annotation for other? Okay, got it. Huh?
Yeah. On the top of the screen, you can.
Yeah, got it. And how to erase them?
There itself, you find an eraser option.
Enable annotation, hide names.
Click on annotations. There itself, you can find.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
An eraser symbol.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So first you have to accept the change that we have to move to the 60-40 pattern. Start focusing on both your specialty, super specialty topic, whether it is urology or surgical oncology, surgical gastro, whatever it is. And at this point, I want to actually thank NBU Wale also, because they have in a way helped you in consolidating this 40 marks. Those who have been in the preparation for the last 1.5 years, you took a break from Campbell and you started focusing on Bailey and Sebiston. I know many of the aspirants who were giving the mock exams, I used to get many calls. Sir, all these MCQs that you are preparing are from Sebiston. It is being very tough on us. We have not prepared for Sebiston. We have been preparing from only Bailey and Love. But as you adapted and changed to the new 150 MCQ pattern, many of you have started reading Sebiston, and you have picked up many new points from Sebiston by giving many mock exams like that. We have organized like our WISE MCQ mock exams, 4 mock exams, 4 general surgery mock exams. So you have learned many new points there. So what you need to do is same like restarting the iPhone, you have to restart your preparation. So take a break. Before restarting, what will happen? Your phone has been switched off, right? So now go into a switch off mode, just sleep, relax, whatever you want to do, and restart your preparation as soon as possible. That is right from tomorrow or tonight, whatever it is. So this is a beautiful quotation. What is success? Success is preparation plus opportunity. So see this as an opportunity. Never see anything as a curse, or do not feel that you are in a bad situation or at the wrong place in the wrong time. This is again, I'm telling, this NEET SS, or for that matter any competitive exam, is a exam of relativity. That means you are tested against your competitor. You are not tested on your performance. So if your score is 300, but the topper score is 301, you are ranked 2. So you need not worry if your score is only 300, because you are in a relative performance, you are doing good. So that is what matters more, rather than how much you are scoring per se. So see this as an opportunity. You had an opportunity to consolidate your general surgery stuff. So now what you need to do is, now you will bounce back and start preparing from Campbell, Shackelford, Bloomgart, whatever it is, Devita. So start your preparation for that 60 marks. Let us assume that you are going to have whole of October, 25 days here, November and December. So you are more or less, at least you will be having 2.5 months time now from now. So 2.5 months means approximately 75 to 80 days. So 80 days, again, you have to chalk out a plan. You have to write down where you are weak. Okay. Okay. Write down where you are weak, and start from bouncing back from your learning from your mistakes, and start consolidating on your weak areas. Now, I know all of you are tired physically, mentally, as well as financially. I know many of the aspirants have given up their jobs, living away from their families, have been toiling hard for the last 1.5 years, reading stuff which they never know, like a general surgeon reading Campbell, or a general surgeon reading a neurosurgery or a CT surgery textbook, which they have no idea about. I know how hard it is on you. Suddenly they say, okay, we are going to change the pattern. You cannot, you are not supposed to read all this stuff. You will be tested only from general surgery part, that is Sebastian and Bailey. Okay, now again you change your pattern. You start reading Sebastian, which you have never read. So I know there is a lot of mental toll on you. Likewise, to be frank, even I had to go back and open Sebastian and read a lot of stuff and prepare MCQs from Sebastian. Likewise with Kaushik and other faculty who have been helping you guys out with videos from Sebastian and Bailey from general surgery issues. So this is a change for everyone. We all are tired with what the government or what they have done to us. But see, even when you are tired, you need to keep your mind active. If you are tired, if you see tired mind, tired heart, what will happen? You will lose the race. This is a rat race, I said, you know. So who will win the race in this time? Who is going to achieve success is the one who is bold at his heart, like Braveheart. Who I know most of you might have watched this 5 Oscar winning movie by Mel Gibson. Brave, only the chance favors the brave. So already you all have put all your efforts in preparation for the exam. You all are almost close to achieving success. So what you need to do is just pull it a couple of months more. I know already, see, mind is a funny thing. When you say that you are done, it is done. But when you say you can do the one more lap, see, if you are into athletics or sports like swimming or running, when you are in the last kilometer of your race, your mind will be saying, "Chalo, already you are exhausted. You cannot take it more. Let us stop here. Today, आज पाँच किलोमीटर नहीं चाहिए, 4 किलोमीटर में बंद कर देंगे." But the same mind, when the same mind gives a positive and strong response, chalo, you can do it, you can finish the 5 km run, yes, you can do it. So it is all in the mindset. It is all the brave who can take it forward and win the race. So I would suggest you, don't curse yourself, don't curse the situation, don't think, अरे यार मैं क्यों सर्जरी में आया, ये मैं क्यों MBBS में आया, अरे मैं क्यों इंडिया में हूँ, टिका हूँ अभी तक, निकल गया तो यूएस निकल गया तो ये पूरा मुसीबत नहीं था. No, all these things, each one of will have some or the other kind of problem. Even in US they will be having problem. Our friends who are earning more in US, they have their own problems. So don't worry, don't compare yourself why you are in this situation. Always you are in a situation which you are destined to be. That is what Bhagavad Gita says. This is all our fate, we should accept it and move on. See, every one of you might have seen this picture. Two guys. This guy. So this is an optimist guy who has recently started his preparation, who is taking this as an opportunity to crack NEET SS. Okay, he thinks ठीक है, अभी मेरे पास 2 महीने हैं, अभी तक पिछले महीने से मैं तो सेबिस्टन पढ़ा है, बेली पढ़ा है, मेरा जनरल सर्जरी का पढ़ाई हो गया, अभी मुझे सिर्फ कैम्बेल नहीं तो शैकलफोर्ड पढ़ना है. ठीक है, 2.5 months है, 80 days है, चलो मैं कैम्बेल की पढ़ाई चालू करूंगा, नहीं तो शैकलफोर्ड की पढ़ाई चालू करूंगा. And he is a guy who is going to reach all the way, who is going to put all his efforts in the upcoming 2 months, and all these diamonds will be his. Most of you are here. You thought your exam is here, your exam is here, you have put all your efforts, and NBE wale has suddenly changed the pattern. You are dejected and you want to quit and go away. So that is not what you should be doing. Our funda is be like either like this guy or the more optimist. You are here, see what happens. The other side of it. This guy is asking him, why are you quitting now? This is optimism. No, what he says, I am about to hit diamonds. I have to get a large container to carry all these diamonds. So that is how you should be reacting. That is the positive side of it. That is how a positive mindset will react to any kind of situation. So same scene, this is one scenario, you are dejected, you give up and you lose the race. The other side, be confident, be optimistic, take this an opportunity, improve your skills, improve your areas where you are weak. You have still opportunity for 2 months to learn from your mistakes, give more mock exams, and all these diamonds will be yours. So how to prepare now? Till yesterday or till today, you have been preparing and concentrating on these 2 books, Love and Bailey and Sebastian. Most of you have already mastered this. And in the last 1 month, thanks to NBE, most of you have also started reading Sebastian, and most of you have finished at least one revision of Sebastian. And most of you have done many MCQs from Sebastian. So what happened in the last 1 month? You have consolidated your general surgery part. That means 40 marks of your exam, 40 marks of your NEET SS, already you have got a strong hold of it. Already those who have been in preparation for the last one and a half year with various books like Campbell and Devita, you are already mastered or you are having a fair idea of how to approach urology or how to approach surgical oncology or how to approach plastic surgery and all these respected allies, respected branches. So from tomorrow, what you need to do is concentrate on your core super specialty and then concentrate more on Bailey and Love because that is what you have been reading for the last 1 year, and also concentrate on Sebiston. So 60 marks here and 40 marks here. And in this 40, I would say it would be like, again, 25 marks from Bailey and 15 marks from Sebiston. So your concentration should be more on your super specialty branch, followed by Love and Bailey, followed by Sebiston. But all said and done, again, NBE, you should always expect the unexpected. Suddenly, he may ask all MCQs from Sebiston only, or he may suddenly he may out of the blue, he may start asking MCQs from Schwarz textbook. So when he's going to do that, again, as I said, this is going to be again a relative performance. You need not worry about it. Because if he is suddenly asking MCQs from Schwarz, hardly there will be any candidate who has mastered Schwarz textbook. We know most of the 95% of the students either read Bailey or Sebiston. So don't worry, don't try to start reading Schwarz, or you may have a selective reading, or I would suggest as you are having time, you can start doing MCQs from the AppSide board review of Schwarz, so that you can cover Bailey, you can cover Sebiston, and also Schwarz का rapid revision भी हो जाएगा. So how you want to do, how you want to do your preparation. The key to success from now is giving as many mock exams as you can. So what we will do is we'll start again our urology, onco and gastro का mock exams जो है वो start करेंगे. उसके साथ साथ ये जनरल सर्जरी का भी mock exam start करेंगे. And anyways, you are having this Bailey and Sebiston का जो combo है, उसका पढ़ाई भी करो. So 40 marks here, you will be ready. 60 marks here, you will be ready. I should say you guys are almost ready. Only thing is you should just hold a little more longer for a couple of months. Just go there, give exam. And this is anyways there for you. You go back, start watching the urology videos or surgical gastro videos, whatever it is, start watching videos. Anyways, you are having a lot of time. Sit down, write down your weak areas. Like there will be a guy who is weak in basics of general surgery. You might be weak in transplantation topic of urology, or you might be weak in head and neck oncology of surgical oncology. Sit down, have a calm mind, peaceful location. Sit down and write down what all topics you are weak, and then start off from there. Okay. So ultimately, what happened? See what Bhagavad Gita says is what happened till now. You all know what happened till now is for good. What is happening is also for good. What is going to happen tomorrow is also for our own good. So this is a very beautiful quotation. Just sit down, relax. You are all in the same boat. Always, I am telling again, this is a relative performance. Don't worry of what is going to happen in the coming 2 months or what is going to happen in the 2022. So for now, start focusing on the 60 marks which you have left for the last 1.5 months. Take back your Campbell textbook, take your Devita textbook, take your Shackelford and Bloomgard textbook, and start revising all the topics. Keep giving the mock exams. Go back and keep solving the Euro test series or Gastro test series, whatever it is. List out all the weak areas and start focusing on them. I would suggest write down a list of high yield topics and start reading them. So now you all are in the eye of the storm. Anyways, you guys can't stop the storm. You can't reverse the decision what the Supreme Court has given judgment today, or neither you can stop the NBE Wale from conducting the exam in the new pattern in the upcoming year. So you can do nothing about it. What you can do is you should accept the change, buy peace, stay calm, get focused, and start your preparation. That is what is called equanimity. Equanimity means Sthita Pragnata. That is what a Sanskrit word for equanimity is. Sthita Pragnata. Sthita Pragnata means having the same kind of mental state in any kind of situation. So I know you all are in a turmoil. As I said, mentally, physically, financially, family issues, all these things are going on. Because I too have gone through all these kind of situations. So just what you need to do is just sit down, relax, take a deep breath. जो मस्ती करना है करो. फिर से 2-3 दिन के बाद चालू करो. There is nothing no wrong in taking a break. Take a break for a couple of days and start afresh. So finally, take home point from this session is 60-40 pattern is going to be there for this year, and exam is going to be held either in the month of December or in the month of January 2022 according to the associate the Solicitor General, who asked for 2 months of time from the Honorable Supreme Court. So NBE Wale will be releasing a new notification and prospectus very soon. Based on the prospectus, obviously we now know that the pattern is not going to be the 150 MCQs, it is going to be the same old pattern. So you start preparing with the same old pattern, assuming that the exam will be at least a couple of months from now. So don't waste any time, take a break, gather your thoughts, gather your emotions. Just 2 more months, clinch to the whatever you are doing, keep grinding, and success will be yours. And finally, before I take some questions from you, I want to say, Kaushik, if you are here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes. Me, Kaushik, and other faculty from Vice Academy will be supporting you all the way through. That is what we offer.
Yeah.
We'll stand by you in these tough times, and we will extend your support in whatever possible way it can be. You are free to communicate with us at any time. Don't hesitate, because most of you will be into depression also. I don't want any one of you to leave this and go away. Be confident, nothing will happen. This too shall pass. This is a small thing in life. We are always there to support you. Whatever it is, feel free to either contact me, Kaushik, or any other faculty. Will drop by their numbers of other faculty as well. Will be there to solve your queries pertaining to subject, queries pertaining to your other issues, if any. And what we want to support, Kaushik? How you want to
support? See, first of all, I would like to thank all the 300 and odd amazing surgeons who had spent their time this evening to join us, and all those 1,500 odd students and surgeons across the country who have laid their faith and trust on us that we would help them in their journey for NEET SS. And so once the highest court in the country has made it clear that it would be a 60-40 pattern, so now there is no confusion. So I want to make two things for you. One is how you guys are going to prepare, and how we are going to help you. These two things. So coming to the second point initially, how we are going to help you. For that, I think you have to make two categories. One is the guys who have made up their mind that they would be fighting for this year, and the other is the category of young surgeons who has recently finished off their MS general surgery or DNB, and who have not picked up much of their strength in the core specialty subjects. So those young surgeons who have not picked up DeVita, who have not picked up Campbell textbook and Shackelford, so forth, who are strong enough with their Bailey and Sebastian, I would say that this 2 months time is a great window for you to go to the specialty subjects. So if you go to the specialty subject now, you can try to target a seat in this attempt. So after this attempt, the concept is clear. All of you have to face only general surgery textbook. So for this session, those who are fresh, I would suggest you that focus more onto this huge volume of 60 questions, because fresh guys, already you are thorough with your 40 general surgery. And for those guys who have already been preparing from the last 1 year or a couple of years for their specialty, like Bloomgard, Shackelford, or Campbell textbook of urology, I would suggest again you guys also strengthen your base on the specialty. Anyways, NB had forced you to read Bailey and Sebastian for the last 1 month. So that was a good time where you could brush up your skills on Bailey Sebastian. So that's one thing. And how we are going to help from our side, that's the second thing. What I had planned is that, anyways, as it is going to be a absolute general surgery examination from the 2022 next batch students onwards. So already we had given enough knowledge and enough information on the core specialty topics like urology, gastrosurgery, and onco. So henceforth, what we haven't met in providing you is regarding the general surgery concepts and funda. So regarding the general surgery, what I can do is that we will continue to provide as much knowledge as possible to help you crack at least 35 to 36 questions among the 40 of general surgery. So that will be helping you in this session, and also that will be a strong base for those who are targeting the next session, the young people. So we shall be continuing our support for general surgery, first of all. And second, we are planning to hold more and more mock tests. The schedule, I will update you once the National Board of Examination will be coming up with their tentative exam date. Once that exam date comes up, certainly we will come with more and more mock tests, because I strongly believe that mock test is a platform where you compete with others, and where you know the intention of mock test is to make you know what areas you don't know, not just to reinforce and just to check what you know. It is not to check what you know, it is to make you know what you don't know. So that is the funda of mock test. So once the date comes, we will come up with more and more present pattern, that is 60-40 pattern of mock tests. And also we will be providing more of general surgery stuff as well. And for those guys who haven't picked up the general surgery MCQ course, chapter-wise MCQ course, I would suggest that just go to the general surgery MCQ chapter-wise course, because it's an amazing compilation. Each Bailey and Sebastian chapter, page number-wise organized, and all the questions have been come up with a reference screenshot directly from the textbook. So once if you are solving those questions either retrospectively or prospectively, it would be as good as solving your studying your general surgery textbooks. So for those who have not studied the Bailey and Sebastian so far, or those who have already studied but you want to revise, this chapter-wise general surgery MCQs will certainly help you. That is one point. And second thing is, we have roped in many of the amazing faculty from across the nation, like a neurosurgeon from KEM Mumbai will be taking up neurosurgery from Bailey Sebastian. And already a guy from Safdarjung has picked up plastic surgery, and onco is being taken up by a surgeon from Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute at New Delhi.
I think
So,
Dr. Sharath is also there online. If he is there, hello, Sharath, if you are there, just say hi. Anko Sharath. Okay. Anyways, sorry to
Yes, sir.
interrupt you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there. I'm there.
Yeah,
Good
Sharath.
evening. Good
Yeah,
evening.
good
all.
evening. Good evening.
Good
Yeah.
evening.
So Sharath will be covering a part of the onco, which he has already amazing. He has done an amazing job covering the basics of onco. So we are requesting him. As there is time. You also please all of you guys also request him to come up with some other onco sessions. So he will be more than happy. He will be sharing his thoughts on head and neck onco, maybe if possible in the upcoming Sunday. Is it okay for you to Sharath? Sharath?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
संडे चलेगा क्या इस संडे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will do that.
ठीक है. So
before I close off, I want to make the remark with which I started the session, that is triage. Can you mute everyone, Harsha?
Yeah.
And just unmute. Yeah. So I would like to finish off by getting back to the concept of triage. So the concept of triage is important in your surgical career as well as in your preparation for NEET SS or whatever exam that you give in life. Because see, when you are going for an exam, you need to triage your areas which you are weak, areas which you are strong, and areas which you are in moderate area. So the areas which you are strong, they come into the green category where you need to give them less attention. The areas which you are weak, they come into the red zone which require much attention. So before you start off from your preparation today, you put a pen paper and try to triage your topics and subjects which have got more weightage and the topics and subjects which have got which you are weak. So more weightage topics and those topics which you are relatively weak, those topics need a higher time to be spent on them. So this concept of triage, please apply. It varies individually. Each individual can have a different category that falls into red zone, and each individual can have a various category that falls into green zone. So as per your individual this thing, you put a pen and paper. Unless you put it on pen and paper, till then you don't realize what is your strength and what is your weakness. And presume that the exam shall be within next 2 months, and with this 2 months, make a schedule kind of thing where you try to revise those topics at least twice, which you are not so strong enough. So revision is the thing that makes you more and more strong, and that tends to avoid mistakes in your NEET SS. So as I told you, we shall try to conduct more and more general surgery sessions. We shall try to come up with new mock tests, and we shall be there with your journey in this NEET SS as well as the upcoming NEET sessions, whatever, because we are the team which is concerned only with surgical specialty. We don't deal with undergraduation, we don't deal with PG, we don't deal with other medical specialties. We are dealing with only surgical specialties. So that's the reason why we are comfortably able to reach to you. We are comfortably able to give you the knowledge that is required. So you can rely on us and we'll be there for you. That's it. Harsha.
Yes, couple of queries. They'll say one thing is in general surgery, what we want to cover further is pediatric surgery, neurosurgery, bariatric surgery, basics of general surgery. If possible, trauma. If possible, trauma and transplantation. Transplantation, Dr. Jaipal has obliged. He told he will consider dealing with transplant. Dr. Sharath will be dealing with couple of stuff. General basics I will deal. Part of Euro you will be dealing, and neurosurgery Kushal Bhatia. So more or less general surgery will be over. And regarding a couple of questions regarding the Central Institute preparation. सर पहले इसका तो देखेंगे, सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट का जब नोटिस आएगा तब उसके बारे में सोचेंगे. अभी तो चलो ये तो चल रहा है ना, ये इसका ये होने के बाद उसके बारे में सोचेंगे. और किसी ने पूछा है INI CET SS के बारे में. अभी तक उसका तो कुछ ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन वगैरह कुछ नहीं है INI CET SS के बारे में. So if there is any news about it, then we can think what should be done. We do not know. It's all speculation. So let us wait what's going to happen, how it is going to unfold for us in the upcoming days. So if there is any change in pattern with that, we'll adapt. something, same thing for you, for me, for everyone. Adapt and achieve, that's it. So test and discussion for urology. ठीक है, देखेंगे test and discussion. Okay, for at least 3 tests for urology. Okay, what we can do is instead of test and discussion, we can discuss some high yield topics, maybe 25, 30 or 50 high yield topics we can discuss. That would be more useful than test and discussion. I don't know. We'll see. I will have a thought. I'll have a discussion with other faculty and we'll come to a conclusion regarding that. डिस्काउंट अरे डिस्काउंट के बारे में, अरे वाइस के लोगों को डिस्काउंट के बारे में पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम डिस्काउंट देते ही रहते हैं. डिस्काउंट इज already our prices and all these things are the kind of subsidy. So don't worry about discount. Whatever best we can do, we'll be doing. Don't worry about that.
Apart from Euro Onco and BPH, anything else to be read in Campbell textbook?
Okay.
General urology is one topic. For those who are aspiring for urology, I would say there are 5 things that you need to prepare. One is uro-oncology. Second is benign prostate. Third is stone disease. Fourth is general urology. Fifth is infections in urology. These 5 things, if you are reading, that will constitute about 90% of your question paper.
PDF material is enough. PDF material. Campbell, for urology, I think it should be more than enough. Kaushik sir, yes, he will cover remaining of urology. Vishal, you are already a urology aspirant. Again, why you are worried about covering the residual urology from Bailey? Already you have covered Campbell, na? Anyways, no problem. Pediatric urology, yeah, we'll take pediatric urology. Don't worry, we'll try to complete pediatric urology also. Anything else that we need to discuss? Any inputs from you, Sharath? Can you unmute Sharath Kaushik?
No, only you can do it.
Yeah, Sharath is already unmuted.
Yeah, sir, just a minute. I'm just switching on my video also. Good evening, all. Sir, just to add to what you have told, seeing both of you, the academy you have told it is Wise Academy, but it is appearing to me it is as if like a family. You are the big brothers and all these guys are the brothers and sisters. I don't feel this is a commercial entity at all, sir. I don't think about these discounts, rates and all. You have told rightly, Wise Academy people asking for discounts, it should not be done also. You are not doing for profit. I assure all the students, such a good people, leave about faculty. It is about the mindset of the people. 2 good people organizing things, trying to make the situations at ease for you. You know, this is so heartening actually. Whatever said and done, I would just like to emphasize on what Harsha sir and Kaushi has already told. It is high time to forget whatever NBE has done to you. NBE has done lot many things to lot many of us. If we start speaking about NBE, I tell you, 365 days in a year is not enough for us. How many sins and blunders it has committed. You know, you think that we are in a happy mode now because we have completed and we are taking you classes. At your age, when we are giving exams, how much trouble and torture we have faced. Each and every individual you ask, any super specialist who have completed, you ask, they will tell you, "Bhaiya, bas nikal gaya hum." Bas, we are thankful to God. That's all, nothing else. So I empathize. I show all the sympathy, and so we can't do anything about that. I don't know why the administration is like this, but whatever said and happened, I tell you again, don't carry the load, don't carry the baggage in your mind. Enough is enough, that is gone. At least now you got the clarity, just thanks to the Supreme Court of India. And this is a time actually, you know, you should take a break today, tomorrow, a day or two, get out with family, hang out with friends, have some chilling things, and come back. Go away from books, go away from laptop, go away from all the tests. because 1 or 2 days off will give you a lot of energy and lot of focus. So just do that, and after that when you come back, it is like you should be, determined, focused, as all the things have been already told to you, like a soldier fighting a war in the border. Your target is getting a seat in NEET super specialty. You just make it up in your mind ki you will do everything in your capability to give in the best shots. It is not like half hearted. आज IPL मैच देख लिया, आज कुछ मूवी देख लिया, आज कुछ और कर लिया, आज फैमिली के साथ बाहर गया. If all these things are, important only, but all these things should be kept to the zero, to the minimum possible, and the entire focus, at least 10, 11, 12 hours should be your focus of sticking on with the books. And you should have a proper plan. If you are reading something today, suppose you have read some oncology part today, and tomorrow you are reading the same oncology part from other different textbook or different video or different material, it is not going to help you. What I mean to say is, pick up one standard thing, whatever you believe, whatever you know, you must be knowing by now, and stick to it. Keep on reading that only. The exam is all about repeated revisions. The exam is not about having a vast knowledge. I tell you, even now I have passed my surgical oncology. I tell you, I have not mastered Devita. And I don't feel ashamed to say so, because mastering Devita is impossible. To me, to an average student, it is quite tough. And we don't expect anybody who is setting the paper will not expect you to master Devita also for oncology aspirant. It is not about mastering big books. It is about knowing about some high-yield topics in depth, and knowing about rest of the things at least at a base level. Suppose breast, ovary, cervix, all these are so common things from an oncology part. You should be knowing head and neck, which is common, oral malignancies, which is common in India. So all these things you should be knowing. Other than that, lung carcinoma, all this, just the basics, what is there, how treatment is given, just a few things, that is more than enough. You need not read so extensively regarding the big books. It is not at all easy also to cover the big books right now, whatever it is, Devita, oncology, Campbell, urology, we cannot master them. So having said so, the topics shall be, I think, I feel personally, I am not so experienced as Harsha sir and Kaushi in dealing with preparation kind of things. But I would say your subject of assessment would be based on your general surgery knowledge level only. I would feel the examiner mindset would be somewhere hanging over between Subiston and Bailey, and having applied questions from those things. Suppose oncology, which has been given in Subiston and Bailey, they may ask from there only, but with a little twist or little application. Suppose there is heterozygous, homozygous, such words will be there, but you will not be able to understand the proper meanings. They may able to twist in and around those words. I don't think they are going to give you lines from Devita. That is what I feel. I am not sure in this aspect. So, and don't try to panic yourself also. Ki I should start reading Devita now. It is not at all possible, and don't worry about it. Whatever oncology part is there from my side, and whatever the time that is there to you, I will do my best to whatever I can do to present it to you, and we can plan accordingly. And ultimately, lastly, what I would tell you is, in spite of such heavy preparation, good mindset, and all the equipment, you have been loaded with all the equipment, you have done well, you have really worked hard, but ultimately sometimes there will be such a day where you will not the result which has come is not expected and not happy to you. Then at the time you shouldn't think your life is gone, life is ended, you are not fit for anything. Don't think so, don't feel so. You shouldn't take in such a way. When one door is closed, there will be definitely another option open to you also. At that time you should think, see, your family would be same, mother, father will be same, brothers, siblings will be same. They will not treat you like, if you don't get a seat, they will not treat you like you are waste fellow, hai? So all your good friends will not treat you like a waste fellow. It is only we feel ki our mindset ki we have not done well, we didn't get the result, ki we feel ourselves in a negative way. So giving your best, even if the result comes, even you are unable to handle the situations, don't get out of the track. Don't think of negative thoughts. Don't think negatively of yourself, and don't think this is such a stressful situation. Don't think out of the way scenarios. So there would be something open to you, and just we all wish you good luck, and with the necessary guidance that is actually being provided to you is enormous. And if you keep on thinking about it, multiple options will be there, multiple suggestions will be coming, your mind will be also getting disturbed. So hang on to one particular person. In this scenario, I would feel you have got good persons in the form of both Harsha and Kaushi and the team, the Wise Academy team. I think you should follow these instructions and the guidelines, and whatever you have read, you try to revise again and again the same things. Whatever, make a plan. You are reading this today, you see that within a week or 10 days you are revising it, or within 15 days you are revising it, because the lesser the time you try to keep between the first reading and the second reading, the second reading and the third reading, the third and the fourth, the lesser the time, the better you will be the retention. So you may think whether I'll be able to read 4 times or not, 5 times or not. It doesn't matter whether you read 1 time also, 2 times also, 3 times also, whatever it is. You will try to read it as many times as possible. If it is happening, it is okay. If it is not happening, try to make it happen. Even then, such a situation comes only once you have read and you are giving the exam. Just think that you have done your best and give the exam in a best possible mindset. All that matters at the end of the day is your mindset. See, till to the last you have worked so well, and before the exam you couldn't balance your mind, so you are going to lose that battle. So the mindset is most important. For that, your heart and mind should be very bold, very courageous. Just don't try to worry about all these things, what has happened. It happens with everybody. After that, after 3 or 4 years, you would be sitting in this position and you would be telling all your juniors, "Arey bhaiya, hamare saath NBE ne aisa kiya." And we wish we wish such stories to come also, to listen also. So don't worry. All the best to you all. Thank you very much, Harsha sir and Kaushi. You have been doing a wonderful job. I appreciate both of you, and all the students. Very good luck. Thank you.
Sharath, amazing words from you, Sharath.
But one thing I very much like from Sharath is that NBE has done even worse scenarios with most of the students.
Exactly.
I think Rohit has also joined.
For what Sharath has done, Champesav. That means he has pinpointed exactly. He has to the point. He has told what NBE has done. Anyways, Pawan is also here. Anyways, don't worry.
So Rohit is also with us. Can you unmute Rohit?
Rohit, just a second. Rohit, hi, good evening. Rohit, plastic surgeon, hi.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
How are you, man? You can unmute yourself. You can see what happened is they have again reverted back to the old pattern of.
Yes, sir. I am aware of everything.
Okay, good to know. So people are very happy with your plastic surgery stuff, and they are more than happy with Sharath's Onco stuff. So thanks to you guys for helping them. If you are having any inputs, you want to share your thoughts with them and how to go on with this in these tough times, you can couple of minutes, you can share your ideas and how to prepare and stuff.
No, sir. Sharath sir has almost covered everything, so there is no point of of wasting time, sir.
Yeah.
Just let them take a break and once again pull their socks up and start once again from the scratch. That's it.
Kaushik, anything else? Or we can sign out. Pawan?
Yeah, hi guys. Sorry for the delay. I have joined a little late. So by the time I have joined, I think I have heard last few words from Harsha sir and then Kaushik. Afterwards, I think Sharath has spoken about things. He has almost covered everything right from the journey and till the end of the journey also. So in the end, I'll just want to speak only few words that I wish you all the best, and don't worry regarding these last minute changes, these things, all things, everything what you have read till now, it will not go waste. So definitely it will help you in one way or the other. So try to adjust to the new pattern, which is actually not the new pattern, which is the old pattern, which most of the people have prepared. Only thing is concentration on specialty, which Kaushik has stressed for you. These 2 months, concentrate on specialties, because basics till now, most of the people, they have covered again extensively Bailey and Sebiston. Only thing is specialty we need to concentrate for the next 2 months.
Okay.
Into the exam. Hello?
Pawan, yes, you are audible. Yes, Pawan.
Hear me? Yeah, before going to the exam, just have a brush up of this general surgery again and do as many MCQs as possible. Already Kaushik has mentioned to you that Wise Academy General Surgery MCQ Bank is the best. It covers almost entire Sebiston and Bailey. So those who have not prepared for general surgery, my single, like, one word is, like, if you want to read book or MCQs, I will suggest to go for MCQs, because it has covered extensively everything, each and every line from Sebiston and Bailey. So for the specialties, I think you have good videos from urology, gastrosurgery. These might help you for your easy preparation in the specialties. So you need not go through the complete Campbell textbook also. So all the best, guys. And hello?
Yes, Pawan. I think you
Yeah.
are somewhere
In
driving.
the end, whatever help you need, just drop us a message. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible.
Yes,
Thank
Pawan.
you. Thank you, guys.
Yes, Pawan. Yeah. So anything else, guys? We are free to help you out. We are more than happy to answer all your queries. So feel free to drop your messages, concerns, whatever it is, to either me, Kaushik, Sharat, or whoever it is. Kaushik.
Okay. Yeah. That's it. I think they are now charged and they will go back with a fresh mind, and hope to see all of them as a good surgeons, and wish to see them and meet them in a good conference some other time. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, we shall sign off. Yeah, bye.
Bye, everyone. Sharat, thank you for your time. Rohit, thank you for your time. And Pawan, thank you. And thank you, everyone, for participating in this session. We'll do what best we can do. We'll be there with you all the time. Feel free to be in touch with us. All the very best. Okay, chalo then. Relax. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.